I love making broccoli and rice like this. We start the recipe by adding a cup of rice to a pot, covering it with water, adding a pinch of salt, and letting it cook. Cut a broccoli into pieces, making sure they are evenly sized for quick cooking. In a pan, add some oil, and once the oil is hot, add the broccoli to sauté. I'm sure you haven't made this recipe yet, and once you do, you'll want to make it every day. Now, cut a red onion into thin slices. The flavor of the onion, when lightly browned, will give a special touch to the recipe, enhancing all the ingredients. Add it to the pan with the broccoli. Next, cut a carrot into thin strips. The carrot will bring color and a sweet flavor that balances the seasonings. Then, add the carrot to the pan. Don't forget to tell me which city or country you are watching from, so I can send a special hug in the next video. Now, cut a red bell pepper, remove the core, and slice it into small strips. The hug today goes to Paula from Brasilia. Thank you so much for following and sharing our videos. Add the bell pepper to the pan with the other ingredients. Stir everything and cover the pan, letting the vegetables cook until they are tender. When they are almost ready, season with a teaspoon of salt, black pepper to taste, and 2 chopped garlic cloves. Mix well to evenly distribute the seasonings. Then, remove the pan from the heat and set aside the vegetables. In a bowl, add the rice that has already been cooked with the seasoned vegetables. Now, in a separate bowl, add 4 eggs and beat them well until fully mixed. The best part of this recipe is that the ingredients we're using are easily found in any supermarket. Pour the beaten eggs into the bowl with the rice and vegetables, and add some chopped cilantro for a fresh flavor. Mix everything until the ingredients are well combined. Next, transfer the mixture to a baking dish, spreading it out evenly. Add some cherry tomatoes, halved, on top of the mixture. Then, add 100 grams of grated mozzarella cheese for that final creamy touch. Bake the dish in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. In a bowl, add 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, parsley to taste, and a pinch of salt. Mix well until creamy and flavorful. Now, remove the dish from the oven and transfer it to a beautiful plate to serve. Don't forget to add the sauce on the side for that special touch. What did you think of this recipe? Let me know in the comments if you would make any variations or which ingredient you like most in this dish. See you in the next recipe.